All right, let's settle this. On one side, you've got this absolute tidal wave of AI tools, all promising they're going to change your life. And on the other side, well, there's you, just trying to figure out which one is actually worth your time. Today, we're diving into the AI Powerhouse Showdown to find your perfect assistant.
Feeling a little overwhelmed by it all? I mean, it seems like every single day there's a new AI chatbot, a new platform, a new assistant, and they're all screaming for your attention. So where do you even start? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone, and you've come to the right place.
But hey, don't worry. Our goal today is actually pretty simple. We're going to cut through all that noise and find the one tool that fits you perfectly. This isn't just about picking some software. It's about finding your next great creative partner or your ultimate productivity sidekick.
And here they are, our 5 heavyweights in the ring today. ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, Gemini, and Perplexity. Each one of them brings a totally unique style to the fight, and we're going to break it all down.
Okay, and this is probably the most important thing to understand right off the bat. The battle lines are really drawn between 2 different camps. On one side, you have your specialists. These are the masters of creativity and tricky technical jobs. And on the other, you have your experts, the pros at research and just fitting perfectly into your workflow. Getting the split is the key to making the right call.
So let's kick things off with round 1, the creative and technical specialists. These are the true masters of their craft, and each one brings a very specific set of skills to the table.
First up, the one you've all heard of. It's ChatGPT, stepping into the ring as the creative all-rounder.
And you know, it earned that reputation for a reason. Its versatility is just legendary. One minute it's helping you brainstorm a killer marketing slogan, the next it's finding a bug in your code, and then it's figuring out what you can make for dinner. It really is the Swiss Army knife of AI.
But here's the pro-level secret that a lot of people miss. Creating your own custom GPTs, it's a total game changer. I mean, forget generic answers. Imagine training an AI to think like you, to write in your voice, to be a brainstorming buddy that already gets your project. That's not just an assistant, it's basically a personalized extension of your own mind.
Now, if ChatGPT is the all-rounder, our next contender is the specialist. Meet Claude, the deep analyst. This is where we shift from broad creativity to just laser-focused precision.
Think of it like this. If ChatGPT is a great family doctor, Claude is the world's renowned surgeon. It's built to handle overwhelming, complex stuff. We're not talking about summarizing a blog post. We're talking about feeding it a 200-page scientific paper or a dense financial report. Claude's real talent is finding that one crucial insight in a giant haystack of data.
And here's where that surgical precision becomes so valuable. Imagine you're staring down a mountain of a legal contract. Instead of spending a whole day trying to figure out the jargon, you could have Claude point out the key clauses and flag potential risks in minutes. It's an absolute powerhouse when the details really matter.
Okay, rounding out our specialists is the wild card of the bunch, Grok, the real-time trend spotter. And its biggest advantage is right there in the name.
You see, while other AIs are trained on a snapshot of the internet from the past, Grok has its finger on the pulse of the now. It's plugged directly into the live, real-time fire hose of social media. This means you can use it during a live event, like a game or a product launch, and get instant, unfiltered public reaction. It's not about what was happening, it's about what is happening right this second.
All right, that covers our specialists. Now, let's get into round 2, the research and ecosystem experts. These guys aren't just standalone tools. They're designed to become a totally seamless part of your daily grind. First up in this category is Gemini, the workspace integrator. And hey, if your digital life runs on Google, you're going to want to pay very close attention. This one's for you. Gemini's superpower is its home field advantage, right inside the Google workspace. Just think about asking it to summarize the last 10 emails from your boss without ever leaving Gmail. You can use it as a conversational partner that knows your data. Ask it, what were the action items from last week's meeting? And boom, it can pull the answer right from your Google Docs. For anyone deep in that Google world, the convenience is just unbeatable.
And our final contender, this is the one built to fight AI's biggest weakness, making stuff up. Meet Perplexity, the fact-driven researcher. This is the champion for anyone who needs answers they can actually trust. Look, Perplexity isn't here to write you a poem. It's a supercharged research librarian.
Its entire reason to exist is to give you fact-checked answers with clearly cited sources. For students, for journalists, for anyone whose work depends on verifiable facts, this isn't just a cool feature, it's everything.
And here's how that changes everything. Think about the hours, maybe even days, you've spent just finding and sifting through sources for a new project. Perplexity can do that work for you in seconds. It's not just a research tool, it's a time machine, giving you back your most valuable asset.
The bell has rung on the final round. We've seen all 5 contenders. We've seen what they can do. Now it's time for the final verdict. It's time for you to choose your champion.
So let's make it super simple. Are you a creator who needs a brainstorming partner? Your champion is ChatGPT. An analyst drowning in complex documents? Claude is your champion. A marketer who needs to know what's trending right now? Your champion is Grok. A professional who lives in Google Docs and Gmail? Gemini, all the way. And if you're a researcher who needs stone-cold facts and sources, your champion is Perplexity. It's really that clear.
Because ultimately, the best AI isn't the one with the most hype or the biggest headlines. It's the one that matches what you need to do. So looking at this roster, who are you putting in your corner? Which one is going to be your champion?
Because in the end, choosing your tool, that's just the warm-up. The much more exciting question is, now that you've got a champion on your side, what are you going to build? What problems are you going to solve? That's the real main event.